could you be such a good boy? Huh? How could Pouncer be so good and sweet? Thank you. Thank you. This is what I'm talking about. You're so good and sweet. How could you be so nice? It's tetherable. I made you tetherable. Boom. Now. Hey. Did you put a rabbit there? I never know with you. Did you put it in your tunnel? You definitely did. You definitely did. I figured, alright. That's what I figured. Yeah, alright, fine. You can eat there. That's okay. Damn, bro. Oh. The cat, he's a very best boy. He loves his toys. Got a friend named Roy. He ate a dog, Roy. He's Pouncer the cat. He's a very good cat. Boop, boop, but don't. He's my baby cat. He likes smoke crack with savannah cats on haystacks. Pouncer the cat. You're gonna eat me? You're gonna eat me? Well, it's not allowed. It's not allowed. Pouncer doesn't care. Say hi. Say hi, I'm Pouncer. Arr! Say hi, I'm Pouncer. I'm Pouncer. You're Pouncer all day, bro. Arf. Oh. It's tetherable. I made you tetherable. Boom. Wow. That's smart. Oh. Hey. Oh, you right? You right, buddy? Boom. See, it's good. It sticks to you more. Okay, do it that way. So smart, my baby. That's the wrong one, though. You're tying it up. Okay, you gotta hold both. You can. Beautiful. Beautiful. Don't sleep if you don't hold hands. I know, Mr. Kisses. Mr. Kisses doesn't sleep if he doesn't hold hands. Thank you, Mr. Kisses. Thank you, Mr. Kisses. Oh, wow. Amazing, bro. Give it to me. Give it to me. Hey, that's not it. You need to hold hands to hold the sleeves, see? My boy. Boom! Very good boy. Nice. Oh! You got boom in your belly. Get it. Oh! That was me. That was me. You go. You. Now, how do you open it up? You're crazy. My Pouncer's crazy. It's a Pouncer elevator. Boom! Bang! Boom! Yeah, look at that. Whoa! You landed on me. Whoa! Wow! Amazing. You're amazing. Wow.
Ah. Bang! Boom! Jump! Bang! Pop. Good boy. Nice, nice, nice play. It's not for your entertainment only. You're supposed to change it. You're making me tired. There you go. Thank you. Boom! Bang! Good boy. There you go. You did it. Boom! Good boy. Very good. Very good, Pouncer. Where's Pouncer? Hey, how'd you come up with a rabbit's foot? How'd you come up with a rabbit's foot? Oh, bro, you're supposed to... Oh, good boy. Oh, but you got the wrong thing. But you missed it. Whoa! Bang! Boom! John! Boom. Can't we do something like soccer? No, it's got to be the red. Okay. Oh, it's all yours now. Okay. It's all yours now. Oh, what's with the ears going back? Huh? What if it moves by itself? Good boy. Good boy. You're the best. You're the best. Where is it? Boom. When you kiss it. You're a kissing cat. That's what you are. You're a kissing cat. What kind of cat is that? What kind of cat is Pouncer? He's a chirping, kissing cat. That's all you do is play and give kisses. Boop, just no kiss. Sleepy. Boom! There you go. They like things that Pouncer. Boom! Where is he? Where's my Pouncer? Boom! Plop. Talk. I know you. I see you, bro. Boom! Well, what role did you play in that activity? Boom! That's a long way. Boom! Nice block. He's in there. You got it, good boy. Look at it. You got it. Good boy. Now what if I tickle you with this? What if I tickle you with this? Just